Hi everyone, today I'll be sharing my short notes of Organic Chemistry, Chapter 1, Haloalkanes and Haloarenes that are very important for ISC Board Class 12th examination. So, let's start. Preparation of alkyl halide from alkenes, direct halogenation, CH4 in reaction with Cl2 in the presence of H nu it gives CH3Cl plus CH2Cl2 plus CHCl3 plus CCl4. Then these are some points that I have mentioned from my book Nutan. Then comes iodination. It is a reversible process because Hi formed in this reaction is a strong reducing agent and it reduces the alkyl halide back into alkanes. Then let's move further. By the action of thionyl chloride, this reaction is also known as Darzan reaction. This question is very important. Why thionyl chloride is used for the preparation of chloroalkanes over HCl or phosphorus chloride? So here SO2 एंड HCl जो फॉर्म होता है वो गैशियस स्टेट में होता है, इसलिए वो एस्केप आउट कर जाता है और क्लोरो अल्केन जो है वो ऑलमोस्ट प्योर स्टेट में हमें मिल जाता है, इसीलिए ये प्रोसेस बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होता है. नेक्स्ट, दिस इज़ फिंकलस्टीन रिएक्शन and it is very important named reaction. RCH2Cl plus NaI in the presence of acetone it gives iodoalkane, that is RCH2I plus NaCl. Let's move further. This reaction is not in the course according to the latest syllabus of ISC 2025. Then substitution by cyano groups, preparation of cyanides or nitriles. In this, the cyanide ion is an ambident ion and has two nucleophilic sites. So यहाँ पे ये कार्बन से भी अटैक करवा सकता है और नाइट्रोजन से भी अटैक करवा सकता है. तो जब कार्बन से अटैक करवाएगा तो एल्किल साइनाइड बनेगा और जब नाइट्रोजन की से रिएक्ट करवाएगा तो एल्किल आइसोसाइनाइड बनेगा. Then this question is also very important and I have taken this question from NCERT chemistry book. Haloalkanes react with KCN to form alkyl cyanide as main product, while AgCN form isocyanides as chief product. So the answer is KCN is ionic and provides cyanide ions in solution. Both carbon and nitrogen can donate electron pairs, but the attacks take place mainly through carbon atom and not through nitrogen atom, since carbon-carbon bond is more stable than carbon-nitrogen bond, but AgCN is covalent in nature and free to donate electron pairs, forming isocyanide as the main product. In the same way, substitution of isocyanide group, preparation of isocyanide. Cyanide is also an ambident ligand, so here the reaction can be from silver cyanide also to form alkyl isocyanide. Then in substitution by amino group, when haloalkane is in excess 1 degree, 2 degree and 3 degree quaternary ammonium salt is obtained. तो जो क्वाटर्नरी अमोनियम सॉल्ट है इसी को एक नेम रिएक्शन के नाम से जाना जाता है, जिसे हम लोग हॉफमैन अमोनोलिसिस कहते हैं. देन यू कैन, आप लोग देख सकते हैं कि हमने कैसे फर्दर नोट्स बनाए हैं. This reaction is important and it is often asked in exams. This reaction is also very important. Riemann Timon, and it is asked in ISC Board 2024 examination, so very important. That's it for the today. Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe the channel and comment in the comment section for the next channel you want.